Hey guys, welcome. I'm Jen Frost with Faith and Fabric, and I am so excited to share this video with you today. A little bit ago, we had a quilt along for the Good Friday quilt. I'll put an image here of how mine turned out. And I had asked those of you who had joined in to please send in your photos. And so this collection today that I'm going to share with you is a collection of all the videos and the beautiful images I got back of the quilts you guys made, both as part of this quilt along and then even a few others that have come in a little bit before and a little bit after. I just am so excited to share this with you today, so enjoy.